Hello, hope you had a nice weekend. We're starting the second week of school, so I just wanted to give you a heads up of what's going on. So the plan today is you're going to finish up the scientific method lab. Now, I noticed that some of you already turned that in, but I haven't corrected it yet, so you can make any changes that you need to. Make sure you did that right. That's going to be the scientific method lab. I want you to finish it up today, but it's going to be due on Friday, the last day of the unit when we take the test. So then if you have that done, then I posted a couple optional videos in the daily folder. One is on the scientific method, so that's a review of what we've already covered. The other one is about significant figures, and that's a preview of what we'll be covering tomorrow in class. So significant figures, you'll get the notes on that Tuesday, and we'll work on that Wednesday and Thursday also. The notes that you get tomorrow will then be collected on Wednesday, and I'll have a Schoology assignment where you can submit those. So either a photo of your written out notes or the document that you were typing up, but I need to collect those on Wednesday. And then Thursday will be the review day, and then we planned the Unit 1 test for Friday, and so that's going to be a distance learning day for everybody, of course, so that's going to be a Schoology test. So that's the plan coming up this week. On Schoology, you'll see this. Here's your daily folder. You'll have this intro screencast. We'll post it up here, and then you'll have those two videos that I talked about. So they'll be right there ready for you. So, all right, have a good day. Bye.